Okay, here we go. We've got a spanner set right here, and these are great tools. I've already used them on one set of shocks for a four-wheeler, but this comes with a few different sizes. You can see the different sizes that it comes with, and they all have a little bit different of a notch on the tool itself. So you can see this style has more of a hook. This is AP. This is a 13, and here's a 40. So you can see the style of hook is a little bit different, as well as this one. That is a little bit less of a circle. So anyway, I'm going to show you really quick how to adjust a shock with this. A rear shock on an ATV can also be used on other type of shocks or things that need that spanner tool to be able to grab one side and crank that bolt or that screw, whatever you might be using. So let's test that out right now. Okay, so I've got a couple ATVs here, two different sizes. One's a 50 and one is a 110. And on the 110, you're going to be able to adjust the rear shock here, as well as adjust any of the front shocks too. So it still has that adaptability for the spanner tool on the front shocks. The 50 doesn't. You can't adjust the shocks on this one. If those go out, you just got to buy new shocks. So anyway, let's get adjusting on here and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here on the 50, we're going to use the 13, and this, you can see the different styles here. This 32 I'm going to use on the other one, but you're just going to get that one side to hook onto, and you just twist it. It's a better angle. We'll get that spot there, be able to hook on and twist, and that's how you adjust it and make it a little bit tighter, a little bit stiffer. Okay, so let's move on to the 110, and same process as well. But now this time we're gonna have to use the 13. So same thing, we'll adjust it, get it hooked on there. There, brought it up one notch. And you can keep tightening or loosening. So now we actually can take this back the other direction if it was too much. Down one, just like that. Now it's back to first position. So anyway, these spanner tools are great. You need to get a multi-pack or whatever one that if you don't know the exact size, but definitely are great. You won't be able to do this with a vice grip, so it'll be too hard to get in there. So you really need one of these tools to be able to turn it and adjust it to make it stiffer. Anyway, definitely great tools, these spanner tools. Highly recommend. You should definitely check them out.